I got this to-do list to help me stay organized, and here are some of the reasons I love it. So first of all, it comes with this protective cover over it, which I like because I throw it in my purse and whoever knows what's in there. And so when you open it, it has a section for your to-do list, but then it also helps you prioritize. So like top 3 priorities for tomorrow, don't forget, any types of notes, and then you can put the date. I like to use this for both work and my personal life. So I actually have two, one for work and one for my personal life. And I just like to do brain dumps on it because I have so many things to do and it's hard for me to remember everything. So I find that by writing it all, I'm way more effective. And then I always love checking off my to-do list. So I love how they have the little boxes beside it so you can check it off afterwards. This keeps me so much more organized and I love it, especially because it has, I believe I counted 23 in total. So you can really jot down everything that you need to do, and then you can prioritize over here on this side. And then it comes with multiple pages, and there are also other cute prints and designs. I got the one with purple flowers because I love the color purple, but you can get whatever you love best. So go ahead and make this your best year yet staying organized.